Hello everyone! Welcome to EnglishSociety.com Tutorial 101. This time, one of the most important elements in the language will be discussed. But before that, let us read these words. Be, his, bait, coat, woman, father, any, answer, caught, rumor, lot, word. So, what have you observed to them? Aside from they are different words, do they have the same vowel sounds? Yes, you're right when you said they don't have the same vowel sounds. So, ladies and gentlemen, our lesson for this time is vowel sounds according to the International Phonetic Alphabet. E, E, as in ceiling. I, as in busy. A, as in late. O, as in row. O, O, as in book. A, A, as in hot. E, as in get. A, as in cat. O, as in ball. U, as in do. Uh, as in but. Er, as in girl. So let us repeat the sounds. E, I, A, O, U, A, E, A, O, U, Er. So, you have been so good, guys. This has been your teacher, Mark Lawrence Patiña, and for more videos, visit EnglishSociety.com, and for exercises, please click the link below. Bye and God bless.